Hey Gonz fam, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Let's get into this look. I know, it's super cute. I said that about all of my looks because all of them are cute. But anyways, yes, I'm going to call this one Cloud in the Sky. High in the Sky. Yes, High in the Sky. That's going to be a good one because, you know, when you see rainbows, where are they? High in the sky. So yeah, it's your typical rainbow with a little bit of silver lining. We have a pink, red, orange, yellow, turquoise, green. No purple though. But yes, we have our glow, right? And we have a little bit of the glitter glow along with our blush. We have a glitter lip, very, very, very light, but it's more of a clear lip gloss. But because I keep getting glitter on my clear lip gloss, naturally glitter just gets there. So I actually have grown to like it. So yes, I do have a little silver-ish wing. Well, I didn't do it on this side, but I should probably fix that before I launch this video. Be right back. Because our brows are done, we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it with the Festivals palette by Juvia's Place. The first color that we are using in this palette is that hot pink, and I really love this color. I think it's super cute. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with the inner corners of our eyes. We're going to make sure you get like very, very, very nice saturated space. That way it could be easy to blend into our next color. So the next color that we're using in this palette is that nice deep red, and this will go right next to where we put that hot pink. Now it's important that when we're laying down all of these colors not to go too far, because we have maybe 4 or 5 colors that are fitting into that space. So just make sure that when you apply that red, you're actually blending it into that pink as well. For the next color, we're actually switching to the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place as well. And we're going for that nice bright orange. Now this orange is going to be blended into the red. So again, just make sure you don't go too far over to the right or to the left. You want to make sure that these colors blend in together, but you also want to see the colors individually. So keep that in mind. Now that we have our orange in place, we're going for that nice dandelion yellow. And this is going to go right next to the orange again. Like I said, blend all of these colors into each other as soon as you start packing it on. But also make sure that the color stands out individually. See, I can see the pink, the red, the orange, and the yellow blended together, but also individually, and that's key. Now that we have our colors down for that first base, we're going to go ahead and start to cut our crease using that white concealer by Conceal. Go ahead and put a little product down in your eye. Make sure you get it all leveled out. You're going to look up and then you're going to sharpen that line as you cut your crease. Now that we have cut our crease, that first color that we're going to use is that shimmer turquoise. And you're going to start out a little bit, I guess the middle of your eyeball, of your iris. Sorry, not the eyelid, but the eyeball. And then you're going to go ahead and find that line. That way you get that all nice blocked in and it's sharp. And then you're going to bring that color down to the inner corners of your eyes. So now we're moving on to the final color of our eyeshadow build, and that's going to be that shimmer green. And where's it going? You guessed it, the outside corners of our eyes. Now it's important to make sure that you move along that top line. That way you don't mix that green and that yellow together. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just making sure that I really got that sectioned off, and then I can be messy when I do the bottom and just, you know, go super fast. Now, I was basically gonna leave this look just like this, but I decided to go in with that silver metallic, and we're just gonna add like an accentuating line, really where the crease is, like just above the crease. That way, we have a silver line between our top colors and then our bottom layer of colors as well. And then here, I can really make sure I'm following like the line of my crease, just to make sure that that liner is going to be absolutely perfect, and if I look up, it won't mess up anywhere. So I'm pretty satisfied with how this look is so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, my face, and I'm gonna be back with you guys in 2.9 seconds. Okay, so we have our lashes, we have our glow, we have a slight amount of blush. So now we're gonna go ahead and move and finish the look. We're starting out with that basic pencil liner, and you're just gonna add this to your waterline. That way you have these dramatic eyes. Now we're going to go ahead and add our highlight. This is our Kiss Professionals palette, and it's kind of like a pink silver-ish type thing. And we're going to add a little bit, you know, to the usual places. We got our inner tear ducts, we have our nose, we have our brow bone. That's basically it for the face. Now we're going to move on to the lip. We're basically doing a very clear natural lip. We didn't want to add any lipstick because I don't feel like any one specific color would go with this look. So we just went with a clear lip gloss. Now what I'm doing here is I'm taking a little bit of that highlight and I'm just adding it to, you know, the top part of my lip and then like the middle part of my bottom lip, just to add, you know, that nice glow. So this is the finished look. This is High in the Sky. Please let me know what you guys think about this look. It's super bright, super colorful. It's freaking gorgeous and amazing. So ladies, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.